When it comes time to upgrade your home appliances or simply get rid of an old, broken fridge, washer, or dryer, the process can seem daunting. Whether you're tackling a home renovation or just clearing out your garage, appliance removal is often more than just a simple task. In Austin, the bustling city where residents are always on the go, appliance removal services can be a game changer, saving both time and money. Here's how hiring a professional appliance removal service can benefit you. Convenience and time savings. The most immediate benefit of using an appliance removal service is the convenience it provides. If you've ever tried to haul a heavy fridge or stove out of your home, you know it's no easy task. Appliances are often bulky, awkward to move, and can even be hazardous to your health if not handled properly. Hiring a removal service eliminates the need for you to spend hours figuring out how to safely get that old washer down a flight of stairs or out the door. Professionals have the necessary equipment and experience to handle large and cumbersome appliances quickly and efficiently. Whether you're moving an item across the house or across the city, an appliance removal team can get it done in a fraction of the time it would take you on your own. In Austin, where time is precious, especially for busy professionals, this kind of convenience is invaluable. Instead of taking a whole weekend to manage a removal yourself, you can book a service and get back to the things that matter most, whether that's spending time with family, working, or simply enjoying the city's vibrant culture. Cost-effective solution. While it might seem like a DIY appliance removal could save you money, you could end up spending more in the long run. Renting a truck, purchasing moving equipment, or hiring friends to help with lifting can quickly add up. Plus, if something goes wrong, such as damaging your home, the appliance, or even hurting yourself, you may face additional costs for repairs or medical expenses. Appliance removal services, on the other hand, typically come with all the necessary equipment, skilled labor, and even disposal fees bundled into the price. You won't have to worry about hidden costs, and you can rest assured that the job will be done right. Furthermore, these services are often more affordable than you might expect, especially when you factor in the time and energy you save by not having to do it yourself. Additionally, professional services in Austin often offer flexible pricing based on the size and number of appliances you need to be removed, making it a budget-friendly solution. If you need multiple appliances hauled away, you might receive a discount, further increasing the savings. Environmentally friendly disposal. In today's eco-conscious world, many people are looking for ways to dispose of their old appliances in an environmentally responsible manner. Many professional appliance removal services in Austin go beyond simply taking your items to the landfill. They often partner with recycling centers and donation programs to ensure that your old appliances are either recycled or reused in some way. By hiring a professional service, you can feel good about your decision knowing that your old refrigerator or washing machine is being disposed of in a manner that minimizes its environmental impact. This is especially important as older appliances can contain hazardous materials that need to be handled properly. Safety and liability protection. moving heavy appliances around the home is a physically demanding task, and it's easy to injure yourself or damage your property in the process. Without the proper training and equipment, lifting and transporting large items like refrigerators or dishwashers can lead to back injuries, broken toes, or even damage to your walls and floors. Professional appliance removal companies are trained to handle these items safely. They know how to navigate tight spaces, use the proper lifting techniques, and protect your home from damage. This added safety is not just for you. It also protects your property, reducing the risk of costly repairs that could arise from a DIY attempt gone wrong. Stress-free experience. Ultimately, one of the greatest advantages of hiring an appliance removal service is the peace of mind it provides. The task of removing old appliances can feel overwhelming, especially if you're already dealing with the stress of a home renovation or preparing for a move. Hiring a professional team allows you to offload that burden and focus on more important things. With a simple phone call or online booking, you can schedule a convenient time for the removal team to come to your home. They'll arrive, do all the heavy lifting, and leave you with a clean space to enjoy, without you ever having to break a sweat. Conclusion. Appliance removal services in Austin can make the process of decluttering, upgrading, or moving much easier. By saving you time, reducing costs, and ensuring environmentally responsible disposal, these services provide a value that goes beyond simply hauling away old items. Whether you're looking for convenience, safety, or just a hassle-free experience, a professional appliance removal service is a smart choice that offers peace of mind and a cleaner, more organized home.